India is set to present new evidence of the Pakistan's involvement in the terrorism to the United Nations Security Council, that is UNSC, next week. Also, the UNSC's 1267 Sanction Committee is scheduled to meet as reported by the ANI, citing the sources. Also, government sources confirmed on the Sunday that India will showcase fresh proof of the Pakistan's link to terrorism before the UNSC's 1267 Sanction Committee. Also, this comes after both nations neared the brink of a full-scale war, with India retaliating against the Pahalgam attack through the Operation Sindoor, which targeted 9 terror infrastructure deep inside the Pakistan and the Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, that is POK, earlier this week. Also, the 1267 Sanction Committee was initially established in the 1999 under the Resolution 1267, focusing on the Taliban and individuals tied to Osama bin Laden and Al-Qaeda. Over time, its remit has broadened to impose sanctions on individuals and entities linked to the Islamic State and other terrorist groups. Also, India has consistently engaged with the 1267 Committee, drawing attention to Pakistan's based terrorists and seeking formal recognition of their role in the cross-border attacks. While many individuals have been listed, some proposals have been facing resistance or being blocked, particularly by the China, which holds a veto power as a permanent member of the Security Council. Operation Sindoor, launched by India in response to the Pahalgam attack, remains ongoing and signals a shift in India's strategic approach, according to the sources. The operation targeted terrorist infrastructure in Pakistan and POK, aiming to hold those responsible accountable, and also the resources have also been utilized fully. The sources emphasize that the operation is far from over and marks a new phase in India's counter-terrorism strategy. Pakistan must acknowledge this shift, as the situation will no longer return to the business as usual. Also, Operation Sindoor is not over. We are entering a new normal and the world must recognize this. Pakistan must accept this too. It cannot continue as before, the sources told the ANI. Also, earlier, the US President Donald Trump expressed relief at the cessation of hostilities between India and Pakistan, also with a ceasefire imposed, noting that millions of life could have been at a risk of peace had been reached, and also referring to the potential for a nuclear escalation. We'll have to see how the issues also get resolved.